Hello, this is Fernando Rodriguez, and this video has been taken to be sent to Ana Romero and Mrs. Choi, property owner of the condominium in Haciendas Bajamar. I believe the number 6089 is either -1 or -5, and this is taken on May 16, around 4 o'clock in the afternoon. This is after the property was cleaned up to deliver it back to the owner, effective probably tomorrow on the 17th. So let me show you. This is the condition at this point. The person that was doing the cleaning up is just left. Did a wonderful job. By the way, her name is Sylvia, and I think Anna knows her. Everything is in working condition, water running, electricity, sewer, microwave, stove. This is the way it was delivered to us. In very good condition, by the way. That's why I'm concerned about leaving it the way it was handed over to me, or to us, should I say. Okay. And let me show you some utensils, kitchen utensils. All that is stained. This is things that Anna provided to us. The oven was never used, but nevertheless it was cleaned up. This is full. Those are items that we never used. We had our own, brought our own. So, oops, cough. And by the way, we replaced this a couple of times, twice. They burned up at different times. There's 2 of them on the stove. The refrigerator is awesome. Thank you, Mrs. Choi. I got a few drinks for tonight. Tonight is gonna be our last night here, and let me tell you, we enjoyed it very much. Thank you, Anna, and thank you, Mrs. Choi and family, for allowing us this specific time, beautiful time, not specific. And like I said, we never used anything that it was here from them. Just out of respect, not because we couldn't use it, but I know that it was not to us to bug Mrs. Choi's property. Washer and dryers, they work just fine, both of them. And actually, my wife used them today to clean up the bedspreads and all that. We just replaced some light bulbs in the stairs on this storage. This is the map, and this is something that Anna left us here. I'm gonna try to make it not too long, because then I would have trouble sending it to you ladies, okay? But this is the kitchen. It's awesome. Back to normal. The chimney works fine. Never had a problem, and we did use them a couple of times during the winter. So far, everything's great. The crystal balls are mine. I'm taking them with me. Sorry, as those stay. I removed the TV is working fine. To the last that I know, I removed the Sky appliance and my YouTube thing, Fire Stick, and all that is already on the TV. So it was just the satellite TV from Sky that I removed. Okay, lights work fine. Everything's fine down here, and this is all the stuff that I still have to take with me. This is personal stuff. As you can see, it's a map, a broom, cleaning stuff, my jacket, my wife's coat, and some laundry, our keys, and this is the bathroom. We don't have access to that door, but we do have access to the furnace right here, which is in very good condition. We use them not too much, but it works just fine. Just take a couple of minutes to heat up, warm up, and that's it. Everything, mirrors, ornaments, clocks, everything, stairs, the lights, those are the ones that I replaced, the little candle lights on the fixture. This is the closet. That was there when I got here, so we leave it like this. We're going to the upstairs, and as you can see, that works just fine. Everything's cleaned up. There was no covers on the mattresses, so that's helped me a lot. That was very nice. Thank you. And this was very good. Everything was fine. Looks very nice. Okay, to the master bedroom. This one we did get a cover. Beautiful view. Everything's cleaned up. There you go. That one I think is mine. Okay, this is another one. Fixtures work. Closing this thing up. This is the one that I was using for myself. There was some stuff up there that we left alone. There it is. There it is. That was there when we got here, so it's staying there. That one we can't take it with us because we can't get it across the border, but enjoy. Everything works fine. Nice up. Let's see. Light fixtures work. Here too. Those ones I think I had to. Yeah, probably on the other side. There you go. Let's turn everything on. And this one was wonderful, but we never used them. It stays like that. It was never plugged. It looks brand new. The chimney was fixed, but we never used it here. This bedroom was barely used. Closet, there was the one that my wife used. And there's a TV that was there. So we give it like that. We brought our own and we taken it with us. There you go. This is everything that it was here. What you got? There you go. Gorgeous view. And this is another one. Water pressure is beautiful. Okay, this was here. It stays there. And this one, this is another one that we finish. Vodka. Very nice. Well, I guess that's it. I'm trying not to make it too long because then I will have trouble sending it back to you ladies, Mrs. Choi and Anna, okay? Thank you so much for everything. You ladies are awesome. If I had to do business with you ladies again in the future, I wouldn't even think about it. I would do it. Thank you so much. You are very wonderful people, and it was an honor being able to deal with you and enjoy this property. Thank you so much from the family, from the Rodriguez family, Ilda and Fernando. Thank you so much.